my name is Angelica, and I'm going to show you how to configure visualizations in FlexLogger. FlexLogger is configuration-based data logging software for configuring, visualizing, and logging data, all without programming. We've already configured a couple of graphs to confirm that our events were working correctly. Let's add the rest of our signals to our system. The next indicator that we're going to add to the screen is a gauge to show us the RPM. We're going to select our RPM measurement, and we're going to edit some of the settings to match the expected data values that we're going to receive. So we're going to change our maximum to 6,000 and change our warning arc threshold to 5,500. The next thing that we're going to add is an FFT to see the frequency content of our vibration data. So I'm going to select my vibration module. I'm also going to edit the properties of this FFT to customize it for the type of signal that I'm measuring. So I'm going to use a Gaussian window type and change my frequency resolution to 1 Hz, as well as use RMS for my averaging mode. Let's adjust the size. So that way we can fit on the screen. The last customization that we're going to make is to the temperature graph. We can add in a shaded area, so that way it makes it easy to see when we've actually passed the threshold of our temperature value. So I'm going to change this value to 27. And now we're ready to see how the rest of our signals look when we run our test. So now that we're running our test, when we increase the temperature and it exceeds the temperature threshold, we see that our RPM data is increasing, our fan is turned on to 10 volts, and we see the vibration data here. One of the things that we can do is actually to pause our frequency content and actually zoom in to investigate that further. We can choose to add a cursor, which can also help us get more information about the signals that we're acquiring, such as the amplitude at a particular frequency. So that's how you can customize your UI to visualize data in FlexLogger.